You asked how to buy shares of CMB Tech NV, a technology company focused on industrial automation, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CMBT. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CMBT to find the stock. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing for CMB Tech NV. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check the listing details and market data before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. A link is provided in the description if you want to follow the same broker example.